Hello friends, welcome to eKida. Now we see the effect due to resistance on a performance of a transmission line. You must have studied in physics what is resistance, which opposes the flow of current. Which opposes the flow of current. The resistance is nearly zero in most of the power system, means it is neglected in most cases. However, the fact is R is very much there. If it is not there, there will be no I square R losses. It will be zero. So, line power loss means I square R. Our aim is to reduce it. We know expression R is equals to rho L by A, where L is the length, A is the area, and rho is the resistivity, and unit for resistance is ohms. If there is a temperature change which is always there all the time, means temperature is sometimes maximum or minimum. So with more temperature, resistance always increases. RT is equals to R naught degree Celsius 1 plus alpha naught T, where alpha naught is the temperature coefficient of conductor at 0 degree Celsius. And ratio of two different temperatures and ratio at two different temperature RT2 by RT1 is equals to 1 by alpha naught plus T2 1 by alpha naught plus T1. Now, important effect of resistance is skin effect. What is skin effect? Uniform current distribution only in case of DC. For AC, it is non-uniform. It increases from the center to the as you go towards the surface. Also increases with frequency. As you see here in the diagram, this is del minimum and this is del maximum. Del minimum is at the center or del maximum at surface. Delta is current density. Current density in ampere per meters. This phenomena is called skin effect. So the definition for skin effect is the tendency of alternating current to concentrate near the surface. This is surface of a conductor is known as skin effect. You see, del maximum is at the surface. And because of this phenomena, RAC is greater than RDC. Because due to skin effect, the effective area of cross section of the conductor through which current flow is reduced. Consequently, the resistance of conductor is slightly increased when carrying an alternating current. So, RAC is greater than RDC. Whenever you have measured the resistance of anything in laboratory using your simple circuits of battery, ammeter, voltmeter and potentiometer for changing the value of current for few readings, all these values must have been multiplied by 1.6 factor, which will convert RAC into RDC, means RAC is equals to 1.6 RDC. Non-uniformity of current distribution is also caused by proximity effect of current distribution. Don't think there is only one effect, skin effect. This proximity effect is a poor cousin of skin effect. It is caused due to increase in R, increase in resistance, though it is negligible. But it is negligible for normal spacing of overhead lines. For cables which are close, this effect is more pronounced. So we have not supposed to ignore this proximity effect when you considered cables. Both means skin effect and proximity effect depends upon or proportional to alpha, where alpha is a sign of proportionality. It depends upon four parameters. First, conductor size. Second, frequency. Third, diameter. And last, permeability of conductor material. So, diameter of wire, it increases with the diameter of wire, frequency increases with the increase in frequency. So these are the four parameters on which skin effect and proximity effect depends. Thank you.